I participated in an activity for doctoral students, which is called Early Researchers Workshop. And basically, we discussed different topics ranging from polarization and conflicts to artificial intelligence. I think it was really interesting because we got to kind of expose our ideas, present what some of the research that we had done in that particular area to other researchers who are also interested in it. And we got to meet them as well and interact with other people from around Europe, and I thought that was really interesting. I think it was very different because you have many different perspectives in a given conference or class in which we got to share our ideas and do a short presentation. And we were given real-time feedback, not only from the other PhD researchers, but also from professionals in the field who have lots of knowledge in that given area. I think it's a wonderful opportunity because it gives you the chance to get to know other people from Europe who are doing the same kind of thing that you are doing. And ultimately, since we're constantly working on papers and research that you're having to speak with or relate with people from all around the world, I think it's really good that we have this experience. I think it's a good idea.